Welcome to Iyalia Engineering. This is a micro screw making machine. This screw is used in jewelry for earring lock and stud screw. This screw can be left hand and right hand. 8 mm thread and 4 mm straight. You can change the thread length and the total length also in the jewelry screw. A servo control system and pneumatic slides for length control the complete machine. A cage will be provided to place the wire bunch. To set the wire, make sure the wire must be inserted into the machine for the first setting. The total length can be changed to any size. To change the thread size, you need to change the die. The complete machine runs in a closed cage, so no gold dust or scrape is escaped from the machine. The finished golden screws are collected in the bottom of the machine with a small bin. PLC controls the machine, and the operator panel is there with HMI. This is an ID threading machine with tapping. Here you can do right hand and left hand tapping. Whenever you want to change it, you need to set the spindle direction and also select the tap accordingly. The input for this machine will be a tube already made as per the tap size. This machine can produce screws from 14 or 18 or 22 karat gold screws. Iyalia micro making machine can be customized to the customer's requirements. Call or email us further with any machinery requirements.